The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a tornado warning for Southwestern McLennan County in Central Texas, East Central Coryell County in Central Texas, Northeastern Belton County in Central Texas, West Central Falls County in Central Texas, until 8 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 7:26 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 7 miles southwest of Mother Neff State Park, or 12 miles north of Belton, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Temple around 7:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. Mother Neff State Park around 7:35 p.m. Central Standard Time. Troy and Moody around 7:40 p.m. Central Standard Time. Big River around 7:45 p.m. Central Standard Time. Bruceville Eddy around 7:50 p.m. Central Standard Time. Lorena around 7:55 p.m. Central Standard Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Pendleton, Woodson, Moffett, Owl Creek, Meadow Grove, Woodland, Spring Valley, Durango, Seago, and Flat. This includes Interstate 35 between mile markers 305 and 321. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows.
Let it